Hello guys, I want us to go through a simple car registration system created using Visual Basic 6. Therefore, we start by launching our system. Therefore, our system launches by loading a splash form. Then once the splash form is done, we go to the login window. Therefore, we give the credentials there for the login. Then we are taken to the dashboard. Therefore, this is the dashboard of our simple system, where you start by capturing the car details. Therefore, this is where you can capture the vehicle's details in this system, including the photo of the system and the module. You can also be in a position to search for a supplier, like for example here 001. You can find the supplier from that point. You can also be in a position to add a new photo here, and that is a new car. Then you close the form. Then you can proceed to the next one, display customers details. Therefore, you can be in a position to capture customers details here, where you have the client ID, name, telephone number, city, etc. You can also be in a position to see that is the captured customers from that module. Therefore, still on the same here, we can just change this one to main form to avoid loading from scratch. Therefore, on the same note, you can be in a position to display the supplier's details. Therefore, this is where you capture the supplier's details. Therefore, you can be in a position to see the same here from that form, the supplier's details here. You see now we can be in a position to capture several there as we go on. Then on the other hand, you can also display debtors here from this list here. Also on the other hand, we have the reports. Like once you accomplish this one here, when also you accomplish this one here, you can be in a position to view reports by clicking on this button here. Then you can be in a position to see the reports. Therefore, you see now that one is working fine. You can also be in a position to see all the reports as you wish. Therefore, basically, to come up with this one, you need to, first of all, for example, we go to customers form. Therefore, in the customers form, you must make sure that the available controls, like the ad hoc, like the common dialog, this one will enable you to be in a position to upload the photo. Therefore, if I double click on this button, you'll be in a position to see the various codes. For example, this is the code for connection to the database. It is connecting to a database called motors.mdb. Then you can also be in a position to see, like now, the code that is populating the photos dialog box. Therefore, on the other hand, you can also go to the suppliers form. Therefore, this is the design for the suppliers form. Still, it has the common dialog one that enables you to upload the photos. Also, when you go to buttons like add a new, you can be in a position to see the code. Therefore, I have enumerated very well. Like for example here, this one is commented add a new code. This is the code for add a new. Therefore, if we go down here, we have the code for next. You can also scroll down here. You'll be in a position to see how I have typed the code and added some comments to make sure that you can easily follow the codes. Then if we go ahead and look at the login form, this is the simple login form. If you double click on it, you'll be in a position to see the code that I have assigned, so that you can be in a position, for example, the password is admin, the password is 1234. like that. You can be in a position to see that. Then when you go to our splash form, this is our splash form. You'll notice that there is a timer here. There is this timer. Therefore, you must have timer, and then the code, and also the progress bar. Therefore, the progress bar is here. Make sure you can see it from the control box so that you can be in a position to draw it. Then the code is assigned in the timer. Therefore, if you double click the timer, you'll be in a position to see the code that I have used and the various timings, that is the way up to 100, so that when my splash form is running, it runs from 0 to 100. Then on the other hand, also you can also go to the cars, that is to the cars object or design view. You can be in a position to see this is a picture box, this one. Therefore, sometimes people confuse with the image. Therefore, here I am using the picture box, this one. Therefore, if you go to this one, you can see that one, this is picture one. Then if you want to see the code for find, this is the code for find. It is actually using SQL, select from the table name where the column name equals to the text box referenced. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you can come up with a simple car registration system. Remember, you can download various projects from my website. The website URL is just below this video. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. You can also consider sharing my work with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next sessions.